Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the new lesson, the last lesson, 12th lesson of history. India after independence. What was the condition of India? At that time, India got freedom, but it was the condition when India was facing so much challenges, because India was divided in Western Pakistan and Eastern Pakistan, and about 80 million refugees, they came to India. India had to maintain their settlement, and also our country had many diversity. Different type of people were living in our country, and there were many challenges with India. How to unite the nation, how to go together, how to unite the princely state and the states which were ruled by the Nawabs. They all were required to submerge in India's states. It was great challenge for India, and about 345 million Indian people were there who were speaking different languages, who were wearing different clothes. They belong to different area. Their eating habits were different. This was the time to how to unite our country's people. In this way, there was a great challenge with our country. The topic, a new and divided nation, is given here. New and divided means there was a partition of India into Western Pakistan, Eastern Pakistan and India, and the condition of India was not good at that time. Poverty was there, and only agriculture was the base to fulfill the basic need of the people. And when crops fail at that time, the people who were engaged in them, they suffer. And also there was a challenge in the society, because society was also divided into different classes: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. This was the time to unite the nation and carry them with all together. In this way, the condition was not so good after independence. The next topic which we are going to discuss, it is about our constitution. A constitution is written. To write the constitution of our country India, it was started before our independence. The leaders of India, they were started thinking how to run the nation after independence. That is why they were started the work of making constitution before the independence, but they were never thought about the division of our country, partition of our country. They were started their work for all India, about 300 people from all over the country, from all classes of the society. They came together and they discussed many years, from 1946 to 1949. They discussed and they have written how to run the country, and on 26 January 1950 our constitution was amended, and the new rules and regulations were provided to a new and divided nation. One feature of our constitution was universal adult franchise. The people who were of the 18 year or above the 18 year, they have right to vote, and they can vote to select their leaders to run the country, because in our country we have adopted the democratic rule in which the people, the citizen of the country, plays important role. The representative selected by the citizen rule the country, run the country. There were many features of our constitution. In that we have studied about the universal adult franchise, and then the equality before the law. In our constitution, every citizen of the country, they are equal before the law. They may belong to different caste, creed, and rich or poor. They all are equal in front of constitutions, rules and regulation. And then the special privileges for the poorest and most disadvantaged Indians. Those people who are very poor and they were living in very remote area, they do not have any facility. For them, there was a reservation in the constitution for their work. Reservations were provided for them, for Dalits, for scheduled caste, for scheduled tribes people. This is the feature of our constitution. In our country, they discussed, the member of Constituent Assembly, they discussed for many years about what are the powers of central government, what are the powers of state government, and how the federation of state government and central government will run, who will take care. About this, they had taken too much care, and also they had adopted the federation system, holding together federation system. It means if any state want to go outside from our country, it is not possible. They have to tied with us. Like in America, the coming together federation is there, and any states can separate from that nation. But in our country, holding together federation is there, and any state, if want to separate from our India, it is not possible. In this way, the constitution maker, they thought, and they had the series of meeting for this, and at last they formed our constitution, and according to our constitution, our country of India runs. The next topic, it is how were states to be formed. India was large country, and Indian National Congress was the party which in 1920 promised to the leaders of different area that it will make different state according to the languages spoken in that area. But the leaders of Congress were afraid that India was divided by the Muslim League and Hindu into Pakistan and India, and at that time too much violence was there. Lakhs of people were killed at that time, and our Indian leaders were afraid that if they will separate different states from our country, the violence may spread all over our country. That is why they were not taking care of separating the states according to the languages. But many leaders were there who started movement that Indian leaders should make the different states according to the languages spoken in that area. Vallabhbhai Patel and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, they were not in the condition of to separate the nation according to the language, because they were too much afraid of the partitions and violence. But in 1952, when Jawaharlal Nehru went to Madras presidency, the people of that area, they saw him black flag, and they demanded for separate states. And after some time in 1952 October month, Potti Sri Ramulu, he demanded Andhra Pradesh as a separate state, and he went on hunger strike, and after some time he got death. Then the commission for different states were formed, and after observing the all over the country, the Punjab area, the Punjabi speaking people, Kannada speaking people, and Malayalam, Tamil, according to the languages, separate nations were formed.